bar. For me, it's a go when I see you, give me a sign. I walk a little close and try to ask for her name. She answer back quick and try to ask me to dance. Headed straight to the flow, boat bands with a strobe light. Friction on the body cause a fire for a campsite. I got to step up my game, let her know I'm in charge. You know, show the thing, second hand, don't look bomb. Tick tock, diffuse to stay calm. Finna bust a crazy move, I'm finna fill up your night. Like finna buy the jelly yummy for your tummy, so bite. We all excited for the DJs try to play us the jam. And after we dance bounce and the rest is bam. This goes for my ladies who just wanna have fun. Grab onto somebody, dance to the beat of this drum. Why don't we get down, get down? We can get dirty if you want to. Why don't we get down, till we drop then we get right back up.
They're like, who the fuck is that wisecracker guy? Is he fly, is he nice, and is he circumcised? They wanna know, turn on by the way that I flow. I don't do what I'm supposed. I'm like, who is that very nice gyal? She might be right for this guy denial. That's me, and her boobies are not plastic. I like that, that's real. I'm with Blaze N Kane and able to execute this brother Mac West. I could be your idol, role model, I see model on the table. She should come with me home on a tricycle.
This goes for my ladies who just wanna have fun. Grab onto somebody, dance to the beat of this drum. Why don't we get down, get down? We can get dirty if you want to. Why don't we get down, till we drop then we get right back up.
Honey, 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 would you be my bunny, bunny? Back it up with that slim fit booty. Fellas in the spot agree you're hot by your dance moves. Yes, you the bomb, can I get some lovin'? I'll take care of you if you take care of me. Whatever, baby, just dance dirty. Oh no, please shut the pinto, cause we's about to get freaky into the private room located on the top portion of the venue. Man, I love the menu. Served on the plate, sizzling sultry. Chicken heads wanna have fun, come at me.
This goes for my ladies who just wanna have fun. Grab onto somebody, dance to the beat of this drum. Why don't we get down, we can get dirty if you want to. Why don't we get down, till we drop then we get right back up. This goes for my ladies who just wanna have fun. Grab onto somebody, dance to the beat of this drum. Why don't we get down, we can get dirty if you want to. Why don't we get down, till we drop then we get right back up.
It's not a secret, they get nasty whenever in the vicinity of baby yaki. Don't send them my way, they harass me. Got the flow with the ability to liquidate so many pennies. I'm just spitting my venom and I let him in an incomprehensible demand sentence in very secret. Who's that incredible heterosexual individual that the girlfriend clearly wants to sleep with?